Placenta formation from human reproduction. Welcome to Arca's Neet Biology. Let us go into the concept of formation of placenta. Now, let us see the events which happens after the process of fertilization. After fertilization, it leads to the formation of a zygote, and this zygote initiates the mitotic division to produce a hollow ball or a hollow sphere where the cells are dividing superficially, leaving cavity inside. Later, at the stage of blastocyst, it is being divided into two cell layers, that is the outer cell layer and the inner cell mass. And these outer cells which are being present are called as trophoblastic cells. And these inner cells are undergoing differentiation into three germinal layers, that is ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm. These trophoblastic cells, that is here you can see, these are the trophoblastic cells. They provide the finger-like projections called as trophoblastic villi, okay, which creates the bond between the early growing embryo as well as the uterus of mother. That is the endometrium wall as well as the trophoblastic cells. And this helps in easy drawing of blood to the early growing cells. So the nourishment is being provided by this villi in the initial days. And it also leads to the formation of four extra embryonic layers. The four extra embryonic layers are the chorion, which is the outermost layer. This chorion forms the finger-like projections called as chorionic villi with that of endometrium, and this helps in drawing the blood. This is the fetal part which receives the blood from the maternal tissue. And here the other extra embryonic layers are allantois as well as yolk sac. This allantois is being developed from the hind gut. And yolk sac do not have any nutritive value in humans. Okay, and now this placenta is being connected by a cord-like structure called as umbilical cord, where the umbilical cord consists of two umbilical arteries and a single umbilical vein. And along with the artery and vein, it also consists of the mucous connective tissue called as Watson's jelly. Placenta in humans is called as a hemochorial placenta because the direct blood is directly drawn by the chorionic villi. And now the placenta has multiple functions in the body. And this placenta is responsible for the transportation of nutrients from mother to baby. It also collects the nitrogenous waste. It helps in transportation of gases, and its major function is to produce the hormones to induce healthy growing of the fetus. Now, what are the different hormones which are being produced by placenta means? It is a human chorionic gonadotropin. This is the gonadotropin hormone which helps in maintaining corpus luteum. And the progesterone which helps in maintaining uterine lining as well as it inhibits uterine contraction. So this progesterone is also called as pregnancy hormone. Estrogen is responsible for development of mammary glands as well as uterus. Placental lactogen is having anti-insulin property which helps in providing continuous energy to the fetus. Parathyroid hormone which also increases blood calcium levels. Relaxin helps in softening of cervix and weakens the pubic symphysis. Corticotropin releasing hormone increases heart rate, blood glucose and stimulates a parturition. These are the various functions of placenta. Coming to the journey of baby in the womb of mother, the gestation period which lasts for 9 months. In the first month of gestation, we can clearly listen to the heart sound by placing stethoscope onto the womb of mother. By the end of third trimester, the limbs are completely developed and we can see the external genitalia development by the end of first trimester. In the second trimester, that is in the 5th month of gestation, the first fetal movements are clearly seen. In the 6th month of gestation, there is growth of fine hair all over the body, as well as we can see the eyelashes, eyelids are completely developed. And there is the complete baby development by the end of 38 weeks. Now the baby is ready for parturition. Parturition is nothing but delivery, and here the fetal ejection reflex is being induced by the placenta to induce delivery by the hypothalamus. Hypothalamus now release a hormone called as oxytocin. Oxytocin induces parturition and there will be delivery of the baby. When the levels of oxytocin is increased, the level of prolactin is also stimulated by the pituitary gland, and it is being secreted to release milk by the mammary glands. The baby who is being born is being nourished by the milk of the mother. The initial milk which is being produced by the mother is called as colostrum, and that is rich in IgA antibody. The only immunoglobulin which can pass through the placenta of mother and fetus is IgG immunoglobulin. If you like the video, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to receive further notifications.